Hello guys, welcome to Phil and Family Adventures.
Yes.
This is not really a adventure.
This is also adventure because we're cooking.
Well, we're just cooking.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna throw it up and then make it flip over, like you're flipping over a pancake.
No.
I'm watching cooking and Ate Maricel's cooking lumpia.
Yeah.
I'm watching her cook.
So we're here, we stay.
Flip it, flip it.
We stay here
I don't think you can flip it.
since
Yeah, I
yesterday.
can.
How? Show me.
Ay! Like this? Like this?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Can you flip it into the bowl? Like
No.
flip it and then next it lands into the bowl.
No.
Trying to get all the oil off.
Yeah. But I think it's not.
Start.
And you guys are thinking, since when did I get this tall? Because I'm standing on a chair.
Yeah. So you can watch here now?
You're not even gonna be able to see this if I was just regularly standing.
On the floor.
Yeah, on the floor.
Andrew is a good narrator, huh?
Yeah, he knows how to do a video.
You know, you should practice. Practice. More. More.
Yeah, she.
OMG.
I don't know what
What's happening
she's.
in you?
Yeah, what is happening? Well, there's all the yummy food.
We're gonna wrap this.
They're gonna wrap it.
Yeah, you in here.
Ooh.
Where's the
Are you gonna start your video on your camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm using a phone, and by the way, if you're wondering.
Here's the lumpia wrapper. So we're gonna start wrapping it.
You're gonna wrap, like this is the video, and you're gonna wrap up the video. Like wrapping up the video.
We're gonna cook again and then you can eat it.
Eat it. I already had my dinner. It was pizza.
How about you still? You're gonna love to eat this after.
Butang da men.
Wala
Ang
pa.
pagtubig para pilit nimo. Pilit ko.
My mom's
Adi,
got.
sao lang.
There's an
Atong bawang na
ant.
gamay.
Look, there's an ant. Kill it. Goodbye, ant. I wasn't looking at the camera, I was looking at the ant,
Pero
so
din dito ah.
you were just looking at something strange or something. I wasn't even
Okay.
knowing.
That's good. So we start.
So you start interview Ate Maricel. How she cook it.
So how
to
she
prepare.
cooked it was
Very simple.
yeah, it's very simple, but in like 50 different steps. Because first you had to get the vegetables at the store unless you have vegetables.
Yeah.
And then she chopped it all up into very tiny cubes.
Yeah.
And then she
Cook.
no, she removed all the wrappers so they're not stick together.
Yeah.
And then
And then next she cooked it, all these chopped vegetables.
Yeah.
And then they're putting it in those wrapper things, wrapping up the vegetables.
Yeah,
And
and then
they're gonna cook it for the second time. But this time it's gonna be the whole thing.
and then this one we're gonna cook this again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
to make it crispy, and then eating time, right?
Except for me. I've already ate.
No, you will eat this.
No, I won't.
It is delicious. It's
Oh.
vegetables.
Of course it's delicious.
I know you can eat.
I
know
know
this is your favorite.
I'm not hungry. This is how you wrap it.
Mm-hmm.
So you go like that.
You go like this. And do like this.
Please watch my video. I'm gonna upload.
Yeah, and do like this. And roll over. Roll. And then put a water.
Oh yeah, I
Just
forgot one of the steps was put water in the bowl.
Yeah. And
There's too many steps
see?
in this.
Oh, look.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
Boom.
You can't.
We
It's
only got
nicely
5
done.
dones. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
5 done.
It's not easy, Why did you help us? Hurry up ka dyan.
Yeah, but if you need help, then I have to find a spot to put this.
Yeah, I know. Okay, you have a
How
razor.
many minutes that take?
Only 6.
Okay.
My
You have
arm
a
isn't
razor.
tired yet. Same ant.
It's not same as.
Yeah, it's the same ant that was on the bowl.
So this is your second night here in Ate Maricel's house.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What you
the
think?
second night
What
in.
you think?
Well, I'm happy that there was a thunderstorm
Oh.
last night,
Yeah.
or I forget when it was. I think it was last night.
Yeah, it
Yes.
was.
Okay,
Last night.
yeah. So last night it was very like nice. It wasn't so hot, but then the power went out for a few seconds, and then it turned back on. But that was last night, not this
And
night.
then, did you sleep good?
Yeah, I slept good in my own bedroom over here.
So you like to live in her? In their house?
I know Andrew like to live in a floating house, right?
Oh yeah,
See,
we went on a floating house. Go watch that video.
it's very hot.
Yeah.
We rode a boat.
Yeah, we're gonna upload that video maybe next day.
Co- comment
Please
comment down below if you saw that video. And anyways, hit the like button if you like this kind of food, and hit the like button if you like this this video.
And don't forget, please.
Don't forget to subscribe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. That's all.
Yeah, that's all you need to do. Is just have a good
Please
day.
like. No, you have to do is please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Like what a foreigner in the Philippines says.
Yeah.
Go subscribe to their channel too.
Yeah.
If you subscribe to mine,
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name of your channel?
Phil and Family Adventures.
Yeah.
That's my channel.
But only the Phil and family he knows how to spell.
Yeah, I don't know how to spell adventures.
Yeah. That's good.
Adventures.
So you
Adventures.
better learn it.
But you had adventures today, right? When we ride a boat and went to the floating.
We had water adventures,
Yeah.
aquatic adventures, or
Is that a
I
nice
don't know what.
adventure for you?
Did
Uh-huh.
you like it? Next time you're
There's
gonna
too
bring
many
your...
ants crawling up me.
So next time you're gonna bring your life jacket so you can swim.
Yeah.
If we're going there again. I forgot to mention they have lots of dogs.
And her, show the boss,
Here's the big
foreigner,
boss.
the foreigner
The
farming.
foreigner farming in the Philippines.
that's the big boss, huh?
That's the big boss of the house.
No, he's the boss of his dogs.
Well, yeah, he's the boss of the dogs. Yeah, if you saw, there was a dog that ran out. Oh, there's another dog, Twinkie. Twinkie has babies over there somewhere.
Okay, maybe it's time to stop your video and do another one later.
So, I'm gonna have to edit this video because,
You don't need to eat it.
well,
We'll
I don't know. If
No
we
need.
know how to edit, then we can.
You should upload. You should install Movie Maker in your computer. Yeah.
maybe I will tell Martin about that.
Yeah, maybe I'll tell my dad about that.
Okay, so
Anyways, this is
then-
probably be a part. This is gonna be like multiple parts, not like part one of my hand getting tired while they're cooking, holding the whole camera. But yeah, this is just the boring part. They're just wrapping it all up.
It is not boring, maybe. I
Well,
think it's not boring.
It's boring for them to watch you just wrap it
Yeah.
all the time
Okay.
because
So
you're just
Help us.
repeating. You're just repeating.
Yeah, repeating.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, why don't you help us?
Okay, I'll help them for a little bit, and
you-
then once we're all done, then I'll keep on going.
Okay, so please subscribe your
Please subscribe to my channel. I only have 9 subscribers so far.
so please.
It's so tiring.
And how many months you start to do
Let's see.
I only have a few videos that I uploaded, and I've started like 2 months ago.
Also tell everybody that please
Yeah.
subscribe.
Please subscribe, even though I
I
don't
told
make
him-
a
I
video
told-
every day
I told him
because sometimes I'm on
Red
the video.
just started month ago, and now
And
Red
he-
has
Thousands.
2,700 at
Well,
400.
he started a few months ago.
Yeah, and then because there's a tall person here. so,
Don't let him give you a hard time, Andrew. She's full of crap.
Well, we can edit that out the video.
Okay,
no need
make
to
it,
edit.
make it done now. Then
Okay.
video again next.
I'm sure there's a lot. If there's so many people know you, they like to watch your channel, and you need to talk a lot,
Yeah.
right?
Well, I've been asking my friends in my class to subscribe.
Yeah.
Derek said that he
He already
subscribed.
All his classmates that they subscribe his channel.
Because I know if so many will know you,
Watermelon
like
is
it.
yummy.
they will like it. You just keep talking and explaining. You know how to talk. You know how to explain.
Okay, did you stop now? your
I know
video?
to not be shy
Yeah,
because I'm gonna be sharing this to everyone.
yeah, that's good.
So they will subscribe your channel.
Yeah,
So
that's
keep-
very nice.
Keep make a video.
Yeah, listen to her. That people will subscribe if you do a good job and stuff. That's what my mom's really talking about.
Yeah.
I think she stopped recording, right? Did you?
Yeah, I stop now.
Okay.